up here on the mountain setting cameras. Little Bauer chainsaw came through for me again. We got right here on this trail, and this big old tree was across the road. Just cut it out of there. And then we winched it out, winched it up to here to get it out of the way. It's a big tree. That's my hand. That's my foot. It's pretty big. But pulled that tree out of the ground winching because it wasn't tough enough. Sure is a beautiful place. And a beautiful mat with a beautiful flag. Huh, Stubbs? You a good dog? Say, yeah, I'm a good dog. No, Stubbers is a good dog. Alright. And this battery was not fully charged. And it now has 2 bars. And it only had 3 to start with. So, the little saw is an animal.